Day 52, travelling to every country in South and Central America. Woo.
I started today with some warm chicken broth and sucking a mango seed.
This is probably the one dog I'm not scared of walking past. Looks can be deceiving though. This evacuation route for the volcano seems to be on a street that's heading towards the volcano. Looks like I'm the only one walking here.
I was walking around 2 to 3 hours to a waterfall. There were some wild blackberries on the way.
Wow, that's sour.
Just before arriving at the falls, I passed horses.
Hello, no boleto. Gracias. ¿Recibo un boleto o no? No, solo camino aquí.
Es camino ida y regreso.
I paid around $3 to enter the falls. Once there, I risked crossing a river to get to the quiet side.
This waterfall is actually so tall that I'm struggling to fit it all in the camera from the base to the top. I actually don't think I can. So there is someone abseiling down. Is that abseiling? I don't know. Or is it just falling down a rope? So I got a bit more of my £2.50 worth here at the waterfalls by using this toilet. It's saying that this road behind me is bad. Hola. Gracias. En centro finito. Gracias.
I then got some bus information.
Tienes aquí autobuses para Temuco. Solo me rendo ahora.
I got back with a clear view of the hydrangeas and volcano and had chicken again with some veg. I was accompanied by a satellite dish at the dinner table. Total spend today £15.